Purification of colloidal solution. When colloidal solutions are prepared, generally contains excessive amount of electrolytes and some other soluble impurities. While the presence of traces of electrolyte is essential for the stability of the colloidal solution, larger quantities coagulate it. It is therefore necessary to reduce the concentration of these soluble impurities to a requisite minimum. The process used for reducing the impurities to a requisite minimum is known as purification of colloidal solution. There are three processes generally we use for purification: dialysis, electrodialysis, and ultrafiltration. Now we will discuss about dialysis. See the figure. Dialysis is a process of removing a dissolved substance from a colloidal solution by means of diffusion through a suitable membrane. Since particles in a true solution can pass through animal membrane or colloidal particles, the membrane can be used for dialysis. The apparatus used for this purpose is called dialyzer. So, the figure is dialyzer system. A bag of suitable membrane containing the colloidal solution is suspended in a vessel through which fresh water is continuously flowing. The molecules of ions diffuse through membrane into the outer water, and pure colloidal solution is left behind. But the process is slow. When this process is done by electrolytic method, the process dialysis is quite slow. It can be made faster by applying electric field if the dissolved substance in the impure colloidal solution is only an electrolyte. The process is then named electrodialysis. The colloidal solution is placed in a bag of suitable membrane. While pure water is taken outside, electrodes are fitted in the component as shown in figure. Now, ultrafiltration. Ultrafiltration is the process of separating colloidal particles from the solvent and soluble solutes present in the colloidal solution by specially prepared filters, which are permeable to all substances except the colloidal particles. Colloidal particles can pass through ordinary filter paper because the pores are too large. However, the pores of filter paper can be reduced in size by impregnating the colloidal solution to stop the flow of colloidal particles. What is colloidal? Colloidal is a 4% solution of nitrocellulose in a mixture of alcohol and ether. And ultrafilter paper may be prepared by soaking the filter paper in a colloidal solution, hardening by formaldehyde, and then finally drying it. Thus, by using ultrafilter paper, the colloidal particles are separated from the rest of the material. Ultrafiltration is a slow process. To speed up the process, pressure or suction is applied. The colloidal particles left on the ultrafilter paper are then stirred with fresh dispersal medium to get a pure colloidal solution.